Guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to enable notification of USB issues in Windows 10 PC. So guys, very simple. Firstly click on start. After click on here, click settings, that is. After click on devices, that is, and here click USB, that is. Here option notify me if there are issues connecting to USB devices. So if you enable or turn on, so click checkbox, that is. And if you disable, so click on checkbox, that is. And if you want to enable or turn on, so click on checkbox, that is. So guys, this is very simple. If you enable or turn on notification of USB issues in Windows 10 PC. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.